Okay, guys. So everything is fine now. Uh,
Yes,
Yes,
fine.
Ravi, everything fine.
okay. If anyone want to join our WhatsApp group, guys, in the chat box, I'm giving right my what WhatsApp group link. Okay, you can join it. Okay, you can join it. Actually, two more group are there. Those group are like totally full, guys. So now I created one group. So in that group, right, join it. Okay, I will change the name of group because that is there. I'm just sharing the YouTube link only in that group, but I will make that group for everyone. Okay, so join it if anyone want to join our WhatsApp group also, right? This is the link in the chat box I given, right? Okay, so let's start the session now, guys. Okay, guys. So next one is what? Let's come to our what list only, right? List only. Here, what is that? See this, okay? So next one, let's perform what is the between, right? Between is there, right? Between means what? Between means what? Particular record, right? From if we want to select what 101, 102 from 102 to 105, right? Between what is that record is there? Those record we will get, right? Those record only we will get. So for that, what is the keyword now, guys? What is the keyword now? Series, okay? Between is there, right? Between keyword is there, right? Between keyword. Okay, so how we will write find by based on that our data type and between in the end of what we will tell take between, right? So okay, let's prepare the method now, guys. Okay, now everything is fine now, guys. Let me know that one more time. Again, we will continue now.
Yeah, fine, Ravi.
Okay, good.
Yes, sorry.
Okay, good, good.
Yes, fine, Ravi.
Yes, everything is good.
Good, good. Very nice. So, okay, guys. So, okay, let's prepare the method now. Okay, let's prepare the method now. Okay. Okay, let's prepare the method. How we will prepare the method now? Okay, so see this, okay? See this. Okay, so come here. 1 minute. So what is that? Based on that, what we will do now? Based on that, our ID only, right? ID only we will select the record. Okay, based on that ID. Student ID is there now. Let's remove this one, right? This one is not there. Okay. Okay, so based on that ID, what we will do now? First, we will write the find by method is there, right? Find by. Okay, this is the method. After then, what we will do now, guys? So based on that ID, we will select it, right? Based on that ID, std, and what is that? Std ID is there, na? Variable name is what now, guys? Std ID, right? Std ID. Variable name is what? Std ID, right? Okay, good.
STD ID.
Yeah, now between what is that? Between what we our requirement is what? 102 to 105. We will select this record. So what is that in the database? What concept is there? Between, right? In the database between, but here keyword is there, right? Data jpa key is there. What is that? Between is there or not, guys? Come on. So between, we will take the between. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so between, we will take the between. Now from where to where we will select it now? Between. So how many argumented? This method will become two argument, right? Two argument. But what is that data type? Data type is there integer, right? So we will take one integer, int each integer. Now what is that? Start, and what is that again? Integer int. We will take the int. Okay, name can be anything, guys. Okay, name can be anything now. Okay, good. Okay, so now fine now, guys. So okay, so its return type is what now? We will take the list of return type student only, right? List of what? Student. This is the between method. Okay, we want to select what is that particular between multiple record between some record. Okay, so for that between we are using or not. So for that, like this, we will prepare the between method, right? Between method. Okay, guys. So what is the based on this method? What is that? What is the query now? What is the database query now? Okay, so what is that? Select star, select star from what? STD tab, right? STD
Student.
tab, student tab where STD ID, right? STD ID between. Okay, one question mark and what is that? And another one is question mark, right? Like this. This is the between query or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, very good.
Sorry.
Okay, so let's write this one and we will perform the and we will select the particular record between multiple record between particular record from the here to there only, right? Means what our expectation is, we will select 101 to 105 or 106, anything. I have 104 to 107. This record we will select. Okay, for that what we are using now? Between operator, right? Between operator in the database. So same like in the JPA, we want to perform between in what is the find my method, what is the key is there now, guys? Between key is there, guys. Okay, between key is there in the documentation. Spring Boot, their documentation JPA. I'm see that I'm based on that documentation I'm explaining to you people, guys. Okay, so good. So let's write that method now, guys. Let's write that method. What is the method now? What is the method now? Come here. Okay, come here. Let's prepare that method now. Okay, so what is that now, guys? Find by, what is that? Find by, what is that? Between, right? Between. Okay, so
ID.
yeah, between. Sorry, what is that? Find by, what is that? Come to, based on that what we will take now? We will select
Student
the
ID.
yeah, STD ID. Okay, good. So here what will become this one? A student ID. Now, okay, what is that? Come to our what? What is that? Between, right? Between. Let's take the between now. Let's take the between now, guys. Okay, good. So here what we will do take now? What is the data type now? Student data type now, guys. What? Integer, right? Integer. Okay.
Integer type.
Yeah. So we will take the integer only, right? We will take the integer, start, and what is that? Again, integer. Two argument is there or not, guys? Two argument is there, right? Again, what is that? End, right? End. Good. So this is the our method now. Okay. So return type is what we will take it now? List only, right? List of what is that? Student, right? Good. So this is our what? Between method. Okay, so what is that? We will select from the 102 to 105. Okay, these record will come. Advanced Java, microservices, Oracle, HTML, Padma, Sudhir, Samit, Amrani. These record will come now, guys. Okay, so this is our requirement now. Okay, so for that, what we are using, which concept we are using now? Between, right? So now come to here now. Come here. So okay, good. So comment it, this one, comment it, right? So what we will do now, guys? Okay, let's write a repo dot, what is that? Find by what? Find by what? Between. Okay,
STD ID.
so start one is what? Let's take what? 101, right? 102. Okay, 102 to 105 we will select the data. So here what we will take? 102 to what is that? 105. 105. This record we will select. Okay, dot for each now system out references printer. Now shall we run the application and we can see our desired result now, guys. Okay, now run the application. Okay, see that 101. What is that? 101. 102. Padma 200. All record we are getting are not 105. HTML Amrani. Till now, from here to here, we are getting or not, guys? Come on. Till now, from here to
Yes,
here,
yes, Ravi.
here to here, we are getting the
Yes,
result
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ravi.
Concept. See that first, what I'm doing now, we are understanding based on the database, and those things we are implementing in the data JPA. Think about that, how we are learning the things now, guys. So really good way we are learning or not?
Yeah, definitely, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
In systematic
Step
way.
by step, we have to learn.
Yes, whatever actual way is there, guys. Okay, if we learn the subject like actual way now, then subject is too much easy. That much critical is not there. Critical things will not come, and the people will not suffer in their life. Okay, so the way if we learn the thing anything based on the way, right, then things is too much easy. Okay, how we are making the things easy, that is our responsibility now. Okay, guys. So now good. So between, we've seen that what is that between now. So okay, is null. Okay, so what we will do now is to okay. Okay, so our is null. Okay, so in that regard, what I'm going to do now, guys. So come here. Okay, come here. So name is there now. Name is there. In that name, we will take one name is a null only. Ayodele. Okay, here I'm taking null. Okay, null I'm taking, right? Null I'm taking. Okay, means what? Record is there but a name is not there, right? Record is there but name is not there. So I want to select what is that, I want to see that. Okay, so null in the name any null is there, and in that null record also record is there, like what is that, fees is there, fee is there, and what is that, course is there, and ID is there, but what is that, that person name is not there, that person name missing in the table now. Okay, so this is what, this is our query now. So for that, come here. Okay, so for that, what is that, is null, right? So let's perform, what is that, let's perform is null, and null is there, right? We will check it. Okay, is null, first we will check the is null, after then we will check the null. Okay, we will perform the null only, right? Okay, good. So let's prepare first what is that method. So in this time, what we will do now, based on that our what, see this. Okay, based on that name only, right? We will check any name is there in the database, null in the record, any name null is there. Okay, we will check it. Okay, so we will get those record only. So first what we will do now, find find by what, find by what is that, STD. What is that, guys? Now see that here what is that, STD name is there, right?
TD name.
Yes, STD
Yes, sir.
name, STD name. Okay, good. So
Is null.
yeah,
Is
good.
null.
Is null, right? Is null. Okay, see this keyword also there, right? See this is null, that keyword we will write. Okay, is null. Okay, good. After then what is that, we will take the argument, right? We will take the argument now. What is the argument, guys? What is the argument now? See that
String type.
string type, right? So we will take a
String.
string. What is that, S name, right? We will take the S name. Now what is the return type now, guys? List, right? List of what, students now.
List
Okay,
of student.
list of student. Okay, good. This is the method. Okay, this is the method, but what is the query now for this one, guys? What is the query? We will see the query also, right? What is the query now? Okay, so what is the query? Select
Select a star
from
student tab.
std tab
Where
where std
student
std name, right? Std name
name equal
is null,
to null.
right? This is the query, sorry, this is null, right? So what will happen now, this record will come. Okay, this record will come. Okay, this is the record. Okay, so let's write this one, and we will see that we based on our expectation of we are getting the result or not, guys. Okay, so come to repository now. Here what we will do now, here we will write first part, find by. After then what we are going to do now,
Student name. STD name.
Yeah,
Std name.
yeah, std name. After then what is that? What is the key now? Is null, right?
Is null.
Yeah, is null. Okay, good. Now what is that? What is the argument now? String, right? String as name.
String is name.
Ravi, why we need argument is name?
Sorry.
Why we need the argument is name?
Argument.
Why we need it?
Good. I'm sorry. Okay. Sorry.
We
Good.
need it.
No need. Good. Sorry. Very Rajit, right? Amrani, na?
Amrani, yes.
Yes. Good observation, Amrani. Sorry, guys. There is no argument. Okay. There is no argument. Is null, not null. For that, no argument. Okay. So good. Very good observation. Appreciated you. Okay. Now, what is that list? List. What is that? A student. Student, right? Student. Good. Okay. So guys, okay. So now come to our what data runner class. What is that? What we will do now? Repo. Find by seasonal. Okay. Dot. What is that? For each. Okay. So now, sir, we run the application and we will see that our expected result, guys. Come on.
Yeah. So it scans all the student names. If anything null is there, it gives. Right?
Yes. See that, guys? It's a scan, right? Based on that, we are getting only one record or not? Come on.
Yeah. Yes.
And the student name is what? Null only, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now one more thing. If you want to see that multiple record, so here this one, right? And another one is what? Let's make the Pujita also null, right? Okay. So now save it. Okay. Now come to our application. Now again run it. In this time only one record we are getting now. Come on.
Yeah.
Now in this time we will get two records.
Yes.
That's
To record.
See this null, whatever null name is there, those record we are getting or not, guys?
yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Okay, so is null. Okay, so good. So okay, not null. Okay, not null. Okay, except that what is that? Not null record, right? Not null. Let's see that. Okay, let's perform. Name is what is that? Is not null. Okay, is not null. Those are data we want. Okay, those data we want now. Okay, guys. Is null and what? Not null. Okay. Is null and what is that? Find by is null and null both are the same only, guys. Okay. Now let's see that. Okay, is not null. Okay, let's perform this one. Okay. Is null and say this is null and what is that? Null both are the same. If you are taking the null, is null. If you are taking both, based on that we will perform the same only. That come here. Okay, 1 minute. I will show that one. Here just I'm removing them. Still we are getting two record only or not, guys? Come on.
Yes, sir.
So come again, right? Means what is that? Same operation we can write. If we write is null also, it will work, and is null not null also will work. Okay. If we same like we will check the not null record, right? Not null record. Okay, so for that is null also the same. We write and R we can write not null also, right? Not null also only also, right? So come here. Okay, so same things. What we will do now? Just copy not null only, right? Is null also, both will work same only, right? Come here. Come here. Okay, in the same only. What we will do now? Come to runner class. What we will do now? Just make the change here only, right? Here only. And come to our data JP. Now let's run the application. Whatever null record is there, those record will not come. Only not null record will come. See this guys, null record is not getting. Only record where the record is there, those record we are getting. Except that what is that? Not null data. Come on guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now let's perform like operation, right? Like operator. Like operator also there are not in the database, guys. Come on, like operator, right?
Yes, sir.
So shall we see? This is the boring guys. Shall we move on the next level discussion now, guys? Come on.
No, Ravi, it's interesting. Please carry on.
It is interesting. Please carry
Yeah.
on.
It's fine, Ravi. Come on.
Okay, good. Okay, guys. So what is that? Like operator is there, right? Like operator. So what is that? Like, not like is there, and not like is there, like this. These things is there, right? So come to here. Okay, let's perform like operation. Like is there and a not like is there, right? So okay, first let's perform not like only. Let's perform like, right? Like copy this one, copy this one. Okay, first what we will do now, but let's prepare the method query, right? Method query. Okay, good. What we will do now, copy this entity class. Good. Okay. Okay, guys. So good. Okay. So come here. Okay. Come here. Okay. Based on the name only. What is that? Based on the name. What is that name is there, right? So here, what is that? Let's perform. What is first? What is that? Find by. Find by. After then, what is that? STD name, right? Name. Okay. So come to here our list only, right? Like operator is there, na? Copy this one only, right? Copy. Copy this one. Okay. Copy this one. So here, paste it. Okay. Like operator, right? Like operator. Okay. Good. So what is the data type now? String, right? So we will take the argument now. String. What is that? String what? Input. We will take the input now. Okay, good. So its return type is now what, guys? List. List of what? Student. Student, right? List of student. Okay, so good. So based on the like means what? Just in the database, right? What is that? If we want to select S name letter, right? S name letter like S. So whatever S starting the data is there, those data will come only, right? Like operator means what? This is only, right? Come on. Based on that later we are selecting
Yes,
the
Ravi.
record.
Yes.
Yeah.
Based on that record, later only we are selecting the record or not, guys. Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now good. So here, what is that list of student find by student name like? Okay, this is our method is there. But what is the query now, guys? What is the query? Let's see that. Okay. So query, what is that? Select star from std tab where what std name, right? Where std name
F name
like what question mark I'm taking, right? Come on, guys. Is it correct or not? Query is correct or not, guys? Come on.
person.
Yes, it's common. It's correct.
Correct, right?
We'll put percentile, right? Ravi?
Percentile, yeah, before or
Percentile. Before and after.
No, guys.
No, no.
Actually, here we will take the question mark. This one will become what is the dynamic query, right? So, okay. Guys, actually, I'm not able to. Your voice is breaking now. My also the same only, guys. Come on, my voice is breaking.
Yours
No,
too.
Ravi, you're
No, your voice is clear, Ravi.
Okay, good. So then fine only. Actually, if my voice is clear and it's audible for you people, then fine. Okay. So okay. Okay, guys. So good. So what is that? Based on that, let's perform the operation now, guys. Okay. Based on that, what we will do now? We will perform the operation now. Okay. So good. So let's write the method now. Okay. Okay. Here, what we will do now? Find by what is that? Come here. Based on that name only, right? Based on this one, we will select this data, right? Now come here and here paste it. Okay. After that, another one is what we are going to perform like operation, right? Like operator using what? Like operator. Now copy this one. Paste it. Here, what we will take now is string input, right? It's string what? Input. Now it will return what? List of student, right? Okay, so now come here. Now comment it. Repo dot find by what? Like. Okay. Now here what we will do now, guys? Now here we will take. I want to select what is that? S record, right? S record. Okay, S record. So what we will do now? S percentile. Here we will take the S percentile. Now what is that? For each system dot out references println. Now shall we run the application and we can see that only yes record will come now, guys. Come on.
Okay, yeah. Here we have to give percentile in the argument.
Yeah. Now we have need to give. See this. Sudhir and Samita, we are getting the result or not? Because see, at the runtime we have need to, actually we are specifying, right? Here we have need to give the percentile, Padma, because of that. See in the
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
then we can get it, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah. That's
Now we are getting our desired result or not, guys? S record we are Samita and Sudhir.
Yes, sir.
It's matching now. See this? Samita and Sudhir. After then nothing is
Yeah,
there. S record. We are getting or not? Come on.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
Got
yeah,
Yes,
we
Ravi.
got it.
Yes, we are getting records.
I have only
We got it. Yeah.
give everyone response, guys. Okay, only 2 or 3 people is giving. What is this? All are people listening.
Yes, Ravi.
Bharat Katha. In India, guys, you know, the whenever any praise, Satnarayan Brat Katha, you people know that? How many people know that these things, guys?
I know, sir, I know.
Don't know Ravi.
Padma, you don't know?
Satyanarayan Katha.
Satyanarayan.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Satyanarayan Katha. Yeah.
Yeah, we heard it there.
Satyanarayana Vratam.
Only
After marriage, it will done. Yeah.
yes. Don't listen that only in what is that one Brahman will be there. That Brahman just
Oh.
reading what is
Yeah.
that?
You are telling
I'm telling
Satyanarayan Katha.
you people just listening now, okay? You people just listening. Give the response also based on your response only. I will deliver the subject. Don't listen, guys. Okay, just give the response. How Satyanarayan Brat Katha people are listening now. Just Brahman is what, reading that book.
All those stories.
It's only for learning purpose. Satyanarayan Katha. Yeah. Not for reply.
Listening.
Listening.
Yeah. Only
and
listening.
touching all
Only
those
listening.
things.
Yeah.
They are people just listening now, not giving the reply, but here give the
No,
reply.
not listening and catching.
Whenever one story stops and another story starts, at that time everybody waits.
Yes. Fine. Okay, good. No problem. Okay, let's move on. Okay, guys. So,
Yeah.
okay. So, okay, not like also is there now. 1 minute. Come here. Okay. Like we seen that. Okay. Another one is what, guys? Not like, right? Not like is there now. So, not like means what? Not like means
Yes, sir.
whatever input we will take here, right? Whatever input we will take means what is that? Just think about that. Just I will implement in this application only, right? I will implement here. What is that? S, not if we are taking what is that? Not like, right? Not like. So if we are taking this argument S, right? S, if we are taking now based on that, except that yes, Samita and Sudhir, all record will come, but Samita Sudhir record will not come. Okay, means what is
Not
that?
come.
Not like means what is that? Not like means this one only, guys. Okay, so here what I'm going to do now, just I'm taking the not like. So I'm going to run
Not
the
like.
yes. So I'm going to run this application and we will see that. Okay, argument is what? S only. See this argument is what? Yes, so S% only. But what is that? But in this time, if like is there, we are getting what is that in the from the database? What is the Samita Sudhir? But what is that? Not
Only
like
two
is there? Then what we will get? Raj, Padma, and what is that? Amrani. These records we will get now. Okay, guys. So now let's run the application and we will see this. See this, guys, we are getting or not? Raj, Padma, Amrani we are getting, but what is that? Samita and Sudhir result we are not getting. Come on, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yes, got it.
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Guys, see, if you are observing, right, totally SQL concept from you, when I was started, right, data JPA from day one onward till now, if you observe all concept I touch in the from the database, join concept also, after then what is that, like in all operator also I'm touching. You guys think about that, which kind of subject I'm delivering to you people.
Yeah, understand.
Okay, good. So now next.
Subject wise, no one can beat you.
Yes. So okay, good, guys.
Absolutely.
See, all concept from the database concept, all concept, join concept. After then, what is that? The date concept I will explain. Date, and this area is too much stuff in the database, right? But still I'm explaining, and see how much easy I'm making this subject now, guys.
Yes, sir. With that statement, right? You gave in the beginning, find by variable condition.
Yes.
If we remember that line, all these things we can see.
Yes.
That line is nice.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So let's move on and we will see that next level discussion now, guys. Okay. So, okay, guys. So in operator also there are not, guys. Come on. In operator means what is that? In the between, what is that? Multiple record we can select from the database or not? In operator is there na in the database. Come on.
Yes.
Yes. So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So okay. So let's find this in operator. Okay. Let's see the in operator now, guys. In operator is there na? In is there na? So same like in means what is that? Multiple record we can select at a same time. Okay, at a same time. So first what we will do now? First what we will do now? We will based on that ID, right? Based on that ID we will select it the multiple record. Okay, based on that what is that? So come here. Okay, come on. The first what we will do now? This is the based on this ID, right? We will select and we will perform in operation, right? In operation. So what is that? Find by, right? Find by. After then what is that? What is that data variable?
STD ID.
Yeah, std id. Yes, std id is there na? Yeah, std id is there. After then what is that? What is the operator in, right?
In variable.
Okay, in
In
let
operator.
yeah, in we will take in, and here what is that? List of. Okay, we will take the argument. What is that? List of, because multiple record we are going to select na. So here we will take the list of what is that? Integer. What is that? What is the data type? Integer na. So integer, right? Integer, what is that? ID, right? Integer ID. Okay, so this is what? Multiple record. For the multiple record we have need to select it. Okay, sorry, this one not here. Okay, this is the generic type na. Okay, so here what is that? Yes, ID. Yes, ID. Okay, this is the method. Now what is the return type now, guys? List. List of what? Student. List of what? Student. But so this is the method now, guys. Okay, so okay. So what is that? What is the query now for that? What is the database query now, guys? So this is the query now. We will see that select star from what? Select star from what?
STD
std
tab.